Hello guys and I welcome you all back to Monu's Academy. So today we are going to study a lesson for mathematics. The lesson's name is data handling. Now let's go. If you can see it, yeah. So I welcome everyone to my class. You think there will be some old effects? Don't think like that. I had a very new effects. You hear the sound? That sound is a typewriter. You know the typewriter we see in some movies, and the people who are in 19th century used typewriter to write documents, prints, fax, everything. So I used that sound in every single letter of this whole slides. So this topic is data handling for mathematics. You hear the boom sound, explosion sound. When the explosion sound comes, the whole screen turns into dust particles and it changes. So, in data handling, we are going to study the first part of data handling. So, what is data handling? Sorry, it's not data. I told it, right? It's not like that. What is collecting data? You know what is data? Yes, data means records of something. If we go to school, teachers will take attendance, right? What will they do then? Yes, they will write it in the notebook, keep it in a safe place. That is known as data. The writing data is known as collecting data. Let's see it. There were some problems, don't worry. So, the data about the temperatures of cities. You know temperature? Yes, temperature means the right season each right weather type. You can see like that. So here will be a table. It will be coming right now. I'm going to read that down. The data about the temperatures of cities. Temperature of cities, okay? Cities. The table will be coming here in 2 minutes. It can tell us many things, but it cannot tell us the city which has the highest maximum temperature within the year. So it can tell us many things, but it cannot tell which city had the maximum temperature. So, to find that, we need to collect the data regarding the highest maximum temperature reached in each of the cities during the year. So, to find the maximum temperature, to find that, we need to collect the data regarding the highest maximum temperature reached in these cities during the year. So, in that year, we need to find the maximum reached temperature from the cities. So in that case, if you want to find out, in that case, the temperature chart of one particular date of the year as given in table 3.1 will not be sufficient. So that table 3.1, okay, that table will not be sufficient for the temperature of the date of the year, for one particular date of the year. Okay, see the table is coming. So tables, some tables are coming here. So guys, the table is coming. You hear that drum sound? Yes, that's the intro of the tables. So here is table 3.1, okay? So these are the cities: Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu, Mumbai. So the maximum temperature of these cities are as follows. Ahmedabad has 30 degrees Celsius maximum temperature, but the minimum temperature of Ahmedabad is 29 degrees Celsius. Amritsar has maximum 37 degrees Celsius and minimum 26 degrees Celsius. Bangalore 28 degrees Celsius and minimum 21 degrees Celsius. So please stop the video, take a screenshot of this page, just cut it and edit it, save this 3 rules, okay? So this is an example and simple example, but this is table 3.1 needed for this para, okay? Pause the video, take a screenshot and continue. Okay, I hope you all took a screenshot of that. Before collecting data, what should we do? We studied what is collecting data. So before collecting that data, what should we do? Listen. Before collecting data, we need to know what we should use it for. Given below a few citations, we want to study the. So what is data we study? What is collecting data? We studied about that. So before collecting the data, we need to know what we use for it. So what we will be using it for? What we will be using the data for? That is why we need to know it before collecting the data. First thing you want to study before collecting data is performance of your class in mathematics, performance of your mathematics class. You will be doing you will be being good character, bad character, anything, any character type. But before going to collect data, we need to research. We need a research for the performance of your class in mathematics, performance of India in football or cricket, female literacy rate in the given area. We need to know these 2 things also. Performance of India football or cricket, female literacy rate in a given area. We need to know female literacy rate in their given area before collecting data. Or the other method instead of female literacy rate in given area is number of children below the age of 5 in the family surrounding. Female literacy, instead of that you can see number of children below the age of 5 in the family surrounding. There will be families surroundings everywhere. So you think, how much children are below the age of 5? Around your family, how much family has children below the age of 5? Collect that data also. Just take a screenshot of this. Before collecting data, what should we do? Pause the video, take a screenshot and continue. Also, don't forget, just try to edit it and take the notes of it. Please don't think that we don't need to take notes of it. Noting your lessons is well. Okay guys, I think you all took a screenshot of this. Let's go to the next part. Organization of data. We learned what should we do before collecting data. What is collecting data? We learned that book. So now we can study organization of data. When we collect data, we have to record and organize. Why do we need to do that? Consider the following examples. So, here's an example, okay? Miss Neelam. Miss Neelam is the class teacher. Wanted to find out how children had performed in English. So, you know that all the exams have English exam, right? And Miss Neelam wanted, the class teacher wanted to find out how children had performed in English. So, for that, she writes down the marks obtained by the students in the following way. So the students in class, there will be a 30 or 40 or 50 students like that. It's an example. 50 students, 60 students, maximum 50. And she will be writing. She writes down the marks obtained by the students in the following way. In this following way, she writes and notes the marks obtained by her students. First student 23, second 35, third 48, fourth 30, 25 is fifth student, sixth is 46, seventh is 13, 18, 8 is 27, and 9 is 32, and the 10th student is 38 marks. So the students, 10 students got this mark, and in this way the data was not easy to understand. But she took the notes of the data, but she wasn't able to understand. She also did not know whether her impression of the students matched their performance. So Neelam's colleague, colleague, helped her organize the data in the following way. So the following way, which is coming on its way, following way means it's a method coming on its way to our class. Here's that way. Table 3.4. You think, where is table 3.4? I can't find it anywhere. Let us see. So here is table 3.4. Table. First student Ajay got 23 marks out of 50 and his roll number is 6. Sorry. You think his roll number is 1. And second roll number is Arman. He got 35 marks out of 50 marks. Third is Ashish. He got 48 marks out of 50 marks. Dipti, 30 marks out of 50. Faizan, 25 out of 50. 25. Do you know what is the half of 25? Sorry, half of 50? Half of 25 means? What do you think? Tell me in the comment box. You think I will tell you, but I will. You need to tell me in the comment box. So, says it's Monu. He got 46 marks out of 50. J 13 out of 50. Kavita 21 out of 50. Manisha 32 out of 50. Peeraj 38 out of 50. So these much students got these much mark. Take the note of the table. We will be meaning it. So take a screenshot, pass the video, take a screenshot, edit it and save it in your phone or tablet or PC, anything. So in this form, Neelam was able to know which student has got how many marks, but she wanted more. So in this form also Neelam got to understand how her students got marks, but she wanted more types. Deepika suggested another way to organize the data, which is table 3.5. We'll be learning on the go. Table 3.5 is the way suggested by Deepika. Deepika is also a student. See, I think Deepika is not in this example table, but Deepika is also a student. Okay, let's learn. Table 3.5. The way that Deepika suggested to the Neelam, her class teacher. So this is the way Deepika suggested Neelam. Ashish got 48 out of 50. I think you didn't get it. See, just take a screenshot, edit it. I know you will do that. I have trust over you. I believe in you all. You will take the screenshot and learn good. So this is the way Deepika suggested Neelam. Teacher Neelam. So do you know what is the meaning of this way? Deepika suggested to Neelam that she should be doing by descending order. Descending order means big to small, right? If we have 5, 9, 11, 15, 17. What will it come? It's an ascending order. Turn it into descending means the opposite way. 17, 15, 11, 9, 7, 5. Right? Okay. Now that is descending way that Deepika suggested Neelam. Pause the video, take a screenshot, edit it and save it in your phone, PC or tablet. So now Neelam was able to see who had done the best and who needed help. Many kinds of data we come across are put in table form. Our school roles, book index in the notebooks, temperature record and many others are all in tablet form. Can you think of few more data that you come across table form? When you put data in a proper table, it becomes easy to understand and interpret. I think I read it all the way. And explain a bit. Now Neelam was able to see who had done the best and who needed help. So Deepika suggested the way, and she was also suggested by another student, right? Who was the student? Rewind it 10 or 20 seconds and see who was the student. So these are the two ways she got the data. Table 3.5 and table 3.4. So now Neelam was able to do this and who needed it. So now Neelam was able to understand who had done well and who needed help with. Many kinds of data we come across are put in table form. See, so you will be learning it on your school too. You learn it also. Maybe, can I say? Yes, in 5th standard or 6th grade, 7th, this is 7th grade, right? I will be joking sometimes. I'm with fun mind. So, you learned in grade 5, I think grade 5. Maybe in that book, if you had that book, check it over. Check over that book if you had data handling lesson. In that lesson too, in some tables, that will be given a table form. That means data will be given in a table form. So now Neelam was able to understand. Our school roles, progress report, index in the notebooks, temperature record and many others are in table form. So that's some examples. Our school roles, progress report, index, a few more data that you come across in table form. When we put the data in proper table, it becomes easy to understand. So if you put the data in a proper table way, you can be able to easily understand that and interpret that. I think you all got it. Let's go on the way. Try this, okay? Try this is an example. You need to try. You need to try and take the note, do it and send it in the website link which I'm going to send you in the description box. Wait in PG. At least 20 children, girls or boys. Okay, class. So in our class, try this, okay? If you go to your class, or you can call your friends, cousins, family, anyone. Friends means the neighbor friends, cousins, anyone. If you think anyone, you can call them. You need at least 10 girls and 10 boys. Organize the data and answer the following questions using this data. So organize the data, okay? Organize the data in tabular form and answer these questions. Tell me in the comment box for first question in try this. Before typing the answer, you need to try this. Question number 1. Okay? Only one try this is there. Question number 1 and try the first answer and the second. And like that. How much question is there? That much question you may answer in that way. First question. Who is the heaviest of all? In girls and boys. In girls and boys, how much is heaviest? How much is heaviest? Note that and tell me in the comment box. Second question. What is the most common weight? How much people have most common weight? Equal common weight like 30 kg, 30 kg, 30 kg, 39 kg, 40 kg or 35 kg, 35 kg like that. How much have the same? That much you need. That how much people have? How much children have the same weight? Tell me in the comment box. Second question. So what is the difference between your weight and that of your best friend? So you will be having your best friend, right? Call your friend if able to. Call your friend and both of you stand in the weighing machine. Stand straight like this. Don't breathe in, breathe out and stand still like this. Stand straightly and tell anyone to see and tell your weight. Or you can ask your friend to tell your weight and tell him to note it in a diary or notebook, anything which you are noting this all. And tell your best friend to come and stand. Ask, look at his weight and note it. So what is the difference between your weight and that of your best friend? Your weight, difference of your best friend's weight. Your best friend and your weight are equal means you can write equal. If you means yours, mine. You can type mine and type your weight. And second, you can write comma and type friends. My friend, type your friend's weight. So let's see. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. I'll meet you in the next class with an amazing topic. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.